On Tuesday, Mangaluru City Crime Branch (CCB) police opened fire on Kannan Mani, the main accused in the Kotekar Cooperative Society robbery case near Katungara Gudde, close to Karnataka-Kerala border in Telepadi, under Ullar Police Station's jurisdiction. Kannan Mani, a resident of Chembur, Tilaknagar in Mumbai, was in police custody and being transported to the crime scene for investigation when he attempted to escape as the police officers were taking him to KC Road for further proceedings. Mani tried to flee and attacked the officers, prompting them to open fire in self-defense. The police had earlier apprehended the suspects in Padmaneri village, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. After the escape attempt, Kannan Mani was shot and taken to a nearby hospital for the treatment. Further details about his conditions and the ongoing investigation are awaited. The shootout was carried out by CCB Inspector Rafiq.